Albie.
Good boy.
Are you hungry?
Oh.
Do you want a little food?
Oh.
He's getting all jazzed. Okay. Oh, squishy. Yuck. Albie, you're supposed to keep it in your mouth. This is being filmed. Hi. Look at that little pointy tongue. You're silly. You are very silly today.
You want some more? You want some more?
Should we try and put some of this in your mouth?
Oh. Elliot. You have to eat that. It's not time to smile, it's time to eat. Yeah.
Yeah? You like it? Is it okay? Do you feel like a big boy? Do you feel like a big boy? I'm getting pretty hyper. Good boy. Good job, Albion. Good job.
Albion.
Good job.
Artiest kid.
How's your brother doing?
Ready?
Albie, that's gross. Oh, no.
Oh. Wait, Elliot, want some more? Ready?
Oh, no. What are you doing? You're silly.